The fall 2020 semester may be a little different, but you'll still have access to the courses you need. College of DuPage is offering 3 remote learning options: virtual class meetings, online, and hybrid. With virtual classroom meetings, or VCMs, students meet in real time on specified days and times as they would normally in person, but completely online. The use of video chat software allows students regular face-to-face contact in a virtual format. All assignments are submitted online. Online courses remain an option for many. They're taught completely online, following instructor timelines with interaction occurring mostly through discussion boards and written messages. And just like virtual classroom meetings, all assignments are submitted online. And finally, hybrid courses. This is a variation of online and in-person learning. Students meet on campus for labs, studios, or clinical work, but will have additional required learning to be completed online. It may not be the typical semester, but with the option of these learning formats, College of DuPage is ready to help students achieve their education goals.